Ever feel like you're just one tool away from making your project so much easier? Like, you're trying to lift heavy, awkward materials. Normally, that's a serious struggle, right? Well, one of the tools we're featuring today can literally grab onto these bulky items and lift them for you, without the strain. And if you're tired of wrestling with bulky, corded paint sprayers, just wait until you see a game changer on this list that lets you paint anywhere without the hassle of cords or constant refills. But that's just the start. These are just 2 of the 50 amazing tools we're covering in this video. So stick around, there's plenty more to get excited about. When you're tackling heavy lifting and need precision, the DeWalt Grabo lifter makes life so much easier. It's like having an extra pair of hands on the job, especially when you're handling bulky materials like tiles, plasterboard, or even wood. Thanks to its 18-volt XR power, you can use it with any of your existing DeWalt 18V XR batteries, so no need to buy extra power packs. This tool's built to lift up to 265 pounds horizontally and 132 pounds vertically. Perfect for moving large items around tight spaces without breaking a sweat. What's great is its ergonomic design. The handle feels comfortable in your hand, and the intuitive controls make it super easy to use, even if you're new to this kind of tool. Plus, it works on all kinds of surfaces, smooth or textured, even semi-porous materials like drywall. You simply attach the vacuum pad, press a button, and watch the pressure build up for a solid grip. Once you're done, release it with the simple action lever. You know how annoying it is when you're trying to vacuum up a mess, and you have to stop every 5 minutes to clean out the filter? Seriously, it's frustrating. Well, there's this thing called the Milwaukee Packout debris separator, and it's a total lifesaver. Basically, it's like a pre-filter, but way more effective. It catches like 99% of the big stuff before it even gets to your vacuum. So you get way better suction, and you don't have to constantly mess with the filter. It connects to pretty much any wet-dry vac. Pretty slick, huh? It holds a decent amount of debris too, about 2.5 gallons. Plus, it's part of the Packout system, so it clips right onto your other Milwaukee stuff. They even have wheels you can add if you want. Seriously, if you use a shop vac a lot, you gotta check this thing out. Okay, so you're looking for a powerful impact wrench, something that can really break loose those tough bolts, right? Then check this out, the Ronx Air Impact Wrench. This thing packs a punch. It delivers a max torque of 1150 Nm, which is seriously impressive. That means it can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Lug nuts, stubborn bolts, you name it. Plus, it's designed to be lightweight and easy to use, which is a huge plus when you're working for extended periods. It's got an adjustable power regulator, so you can dial in the right amount of power for the job. And the exhaust is directed away from you and your work, which is a nice touch. They even offer an optional swivel air inlet to keep your hose from getting all twisted up. Oh, and it's built tough too, so it can handle a few drops in some harsh conditions. So, if you need a reliable and powerful impact wrench, the Ronx is definitely worth checking out. Let's talk painting. Don't want to deal with cords and bulky sprayers? The Works Nitro 20V paint sprayer solves that problem. It's completely cordless, so you can paint anywhere. It's part of Works' Nitro line, so it's built for professional level performance, delivering power and speed to make your work easier. What's really cool is the adjustable spray pattern. Wide for big areas, narrow for details. Plus, it comes with 4 different nozzles for different types of paint and stain. And the large 34 fluid ounce paint container means you can cover a lot of ground without constant refilling. Cleaning it up is a breeze too, thanks to the garden hose hookup and detachable accessories. The best part? You can use the same battery across over 75 different Works tools. That's some serious versatility right there. If you're working with rebar, you know how tedious tying it all together can be, right? Well, Makita has a tool that can seriously speed things up, the DTR 181 Rebar Tying Tool. This thing is designed for larger diameter rebar, which is a big plus. What's really cool is that it ties the rebar automatically. No more twisting wire by hand. You can even adjust the tying strength in 6 different stages, depending on what you're working with. And get this, you can operate it with just one hand, so you can use your other hand to position the rebar. It runs on Makita's 18V LXT batteries, which are super reliable, and it has a brushless motor. That means more power, longer runtime, and a longer tool life overall. And replacing the tie wire reel is easy. No hassle, no wasted time. Plus, it's built tough with Makita's extreme protection technology, so it can take on the harshest job site conditions. If you're tying a lot of rebar, this tool is a huge time saver. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Nobody wants loose tiles down the line. So the Behooie Vibration Tile Beater is something you'll want to check out for a perfect solid bond. It's compact, lightweight, and features a 35-kilogram suction cup that helps you position tiles with ease. But what really sets this tool apart is the vibration action. It helps eliminate any air bubbles between the tile and adhesive, ensuring a stronger bond and better tile adhesion. Plus, you can adjust the vibration intensity with the digital control panel, giving you full control over the process. The Eco Grip handle makes it comfortable to use, and the built-in level and working light are perfect for tackling tricky spots. Powered by 221V lithium-ion batteries, it delivers reliable performance. When you're done, the compact BMC storage box keeps everything organized and easy to store. Need to shape, peel bark, or do some carving? A good draw knife is essential, and the Lumberjack draw knife is one worth checking out. It's made from 4,130 chrome moly steel, so you can count on a long-lasting, razor-sharp edge that slices through wood like butter. The ergonomic handle design is another big plus. It's shaped to fit comfortably in your hands and made from durable urethane that resists oil, sap, water, and extreme temperatures. At 10 inches long, it's a versatile size for all kinds of projects. Plus, it's built to last and proudly made right here in the USA. So, if you want a tool that'll make your projects easier and stand the test of time, this is the one for you. Scraping ice off your windshield in the morning is the absolute worst, right? Freezing fingers, sore arms, nobody's got time for that. But the Karcher EDI4 electric ice scraper is here to save the day. This handy tool uses a rotating disc with 6 sturdy plastic blades to get rid of even the toughest ice in just one go. No more endless scraping. You literally just press it against the windshield, and it does all the work for you. It's so much faster and easier than a regular scraper. The best part? If the blades wear down, you can replace the disc easily without any tools. It's compact and modern, so storing it is a cinch, and it comes with a protective cover. Plus, the lithium-ion battery gives you enough juice for several uses on one charge, and there's a built-in LED light that flashes when it's time to recharge. So if you're looking for an easy way to deal with icy windshields, the Karcher EDI4 is definitely worth a look. Keeping your paths, driveways, or workshop floor clear can be a tough and boring job. Well, the Ryobi debris sweeper makes it a whole lot easier. It's got 2 brushes that spin at 140 revolutions per minute, so it sweeps up debris quickly and efficiently. And it has a pretty impressive runtime, up to 3 hours and 20 minutes on a single charge with a larger battery. That's plenty of time to clear a pretty big area. The 2 brushes cover a wide 53-centimeter area, so you can clean up large spaces with fewer passes, and it all gets pulled into the 17-liter container, so you don't have to empty it too often. Plus, it has adjustable height for different surfaces and side bumpers to protect your walls. Oh, and it's part of Ryobi's One Plus system, so it works with any One Plus battery you already have. Pretty convenient, huh? If you're tired of sweeping by hand, this could be a good upgrade. So, if you need a reliable headlamp for hands-free work, the Tulsson Rechargeable Headlamp sounds like a solid option. It runs on a rechargeable 3.7V 1500 mAh battery and can be fully charged in just 2.5 hours. You get 2 brightness options, 100 lumens for low light or 300 lumens for high light, with a white light color at 6500K. On a full charge, it can run for 5.5 hours on low mode or 2 hours on high. This headlamp is designed for tough conditions, with an IP65 rating, making it both waterproof and dustproof. It's impact-resistant up to 1 meter and built with durable materials like high-impact ABS, TPE housing, and a PC lens. The non-skid grip belt ensures it stays securely on your head, and the adjustable 60-degree bracket lets you direct the light where you need it. It even comes with a 1-meter USB charging cable, making it easy to recharge. Perfect for outdoor work, camping, or any situation where you need reliable lighting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the list, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more cool tool finds.